GED is an alternate pathway to a high school equivalent diploma. It gives students an opportunity to be more marketable. It gives you an opportunity to be able to continue education into college, and honestly, it's just a really supportive environment to help you thrive in an education that maybe frustrated you in the past, so it's definitely worth looking into.
We go through the entire process. We teach history of the United States, and we get our students prepared for all of the testing that they need to take to become citizens. So at the end of the program, after they've applied, they are well on their way to becoming U.S. citizens.